Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today I'll show you how to factory reset your Realme Smart TV step by step. Before we start, make sure your Realme Smart TV is plugged in properly. Gently check the power cable connected to the Realme Smart TV. Make sure the Realme Smart TV's power adapter is seated firmly in the wall socket. Now press the power button on the Realme Smart TV remote to turn it on. Wait for the Realme Smart TV home screen to fully load. Using the remote, move to the settings icon on your Realme Smart TV. Select settings and open it on your Realme Smart TV. Scroll down to device preferences on your Realme Smart TV. Select device preferences on the Realme Smart TV menu. Inside device preferences, scroll down to reset on your Realme Smart TV. Highlight the reset option on your Realme Smart TV. Press OK on the reset menu on your Realme Smart TV. The Realme Smart TV will now show a confirmation message. Select Erase Everything on your Realme Smart TV. Confirm the factory reset on your Realme Smart TV by pressing OK. Your Realme Smart TV will now begin the reset process. Wait as the Realme Smart TV reboots automatically. The Realme Smart TV will show the Realme logo during reset. Do not unplug the Realme Smart TV while it resets. Let the Realme Smart TV finish the full reset cycle. After reboot, the Realme Smart TV will load the setup screen. Pick your preferred language on the Realme Smart TV setup menu. Choose your region from the Realme Smart TV setup options. Now connect your Realme Smart TV to Wi-Fi. Enter your Wi-Fi password using the Realme Smart TV remote. Wait for the Realme Smart TV to complete the Wi-Fi connection. Accept the terms and conditions on your Realme Smart TV. Choose your Google account option on the Realme Smart TV. Sign in or skip sign in on the Realme Smart TV. Select the apps you want to install on your Realme Smart TV. Wait for the Realme Smart TV to install the selected apps. Continue through the personalization options on the Realme Smart TV. Adjust picture settings on your Realme Smart TV if needed. Adjust sound settings on your Realme Smart TV. Set up any additional services on your Realme Smart TV. Press OK to complete setup on your Realme Smart TV. The Realme Smart TV will now load the home screen again. Check if the Realme Smart TV is running smoothly after the reset. Test apps on your Realme Smart TV to verify performance. Open the YouTube app on your Realme Smart TV. Confirm that the Realme Smart TV is responding quickly. Try adjusting volume on your Realme Smart TV. Test the remote's navigation on your Realme Smart TV. Check Wi-Fi settings again on your Realme Smart TV. Make sure the Realme Smart TV is not freezing anymore. A factory reset usually restores Realme Smart TV performance. Your Realme Smart TV should now feel like brand new. If your Realme Smart TV still has issues, consider updating software. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. Your Realme Smart TV is successfully reset.